5. Simple steps to cleanse your liver. After 60, get healthier in just 3 days. Have you ever wondered why, despite trying to eat healthy and exercise, you still sometimes feel low on energy, have a dull mind, or feel like your body is not as smooth as before? There is a silent hero in your body that is working tirelessly to keep you healthy, but it may need a little help. That's your liver. Think of your liver as a sophisticated and extremely busy water treatment plant in our body. Every day, the liver has to process everything you eat, drink, and breathe, from medications, processed foods, to environmental toxins. Over time, this factory can become overloaded, leaving you feeling sluggish, heavy, and even mentally drained. Today, I'm not going to talk about the generic advice you've heard many times. Instead, I'm going to share a well-researched, different approach to naturally and effectively cleansing your liver in just 3 days. It's a simple journey that I believe will leave you feeling lighter, more energized, and mentally sharper. Let's dive in. Your liver, the body's multifunctional garbage processing plant. The liver is one of the largest and hardest working organs in our body. Think of it as a super garbage processing plant or recycling center, working tirelessly 24/7 to protect you. It performs 2 primary and extremely important tasks. Removing toxins and chemicals. Every day, we are exposed to countless toxic substances from the environment, the food we eat, such as pesticides, preservatives, the medications we take, and even alcohol. The liver acts as the main filter, helping to process these toxins, converting them into less harmful forms so that the body can eliminate them through urine and feces. Without the liver, these toxins would accumulate and cause serious harm to the body. Cleaning and recycling old cells. Just like you need to clean your house regularly to keep your living space clean and tidy, our bodies also need a constant cleaning process. The liver, along with other organs, helps remove dead cells, metabolic waste, byproducts of the body's metabolism, and even pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Picture this. Inside every cell in your body, there are tiny, hard-working parts. One of them is a miniature garbage dump or incinerator called a lysosome. This lysosome is responsible for burning waste and cleaning up old or damaged cells. It even helps recycle the scrap from dead cells and pathogens, turning them into building materials to create new healthy cells. This entire amazing process of self-cleaning and recycling is called autophagy. Simply put, our bodies have a powerful internal system that is capable of repairing, cleaning, and renewing itself. It's an incredibly intelligent biological process that we often take for granted. So how can we activate liver and kidneys? Get a real rest. We often have the idea that we have to drink a lot of water to flush out toxins. But think about it. When you drink a lot of water all day, your kidneys have to work tirelessly to filter and eliminate that excess water through urine. Fasting for a short period of time will give your liver and kidneys a rare opportunity to take a breather, recover, and function more effectively afterwards. Unexpectedly, clear mind. You may be surprised to find that your mind becomes more alert, more focused, and you feel lighter mentally. Some studies have even shown that it can help create new brain cells, improving cognitive function, reduce inflammation. Throughout the body, chronic inflammation is the root cause of many diseases, especially in older adults. Fasting can significantly reduce inflammation levels in the body, helping you feel better and reduce aches and pains. Increase fat burning. When you fast dry, your body switches to burning stored fat for energy, which is great for weight control, even to increase dry fasting time while sleeping. The great thing is that when you go to sleep, you continue to fast for many more hours, prolonging the benefits of this process. Your 3-day liver cleanse plan. Simple, yet effective. This program is simple and easy to follow, just like eating 1 meal a day. Oh, Maddie, you will fast for 1 day, followed by 2 days of a special diet to continue supporting your liver. Day 1, dry fasting. Choose a day. Choose a day that you feel most comfortable with, without too much work or strenuous physical activity. Weekends are usually a good choice. No food and no water. From the time you wake up in the morning until sunset or dinner, you will not eat anything and will not drink any liquids. This is the most important factor to strongly activate the autophagy process. End of the day. After the sun sets, for example, around 6 to 7 p.m., you can drink water again and enjoy the special meal you have prepared. Do not drink too much water at once after the dry fast. Drink it slowly. Days 2 and 3 special liver support. Meal for the next 2 days, or after the dry fast if you want to prolong the benefits. After the sun sets, you will eat only one special meal in the evening. This meal is designed to provide maximum nutrients to support the liver and the detoxification process. It consists of just 2 main foods, cruciferous vegetables. These are known as superfoods for your liver. They contain powerful compounds that help your liver process toxins. Common examples: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, arugula, kale, bok choy, and cabbage in various forms. Special tip for optimization. Broccoli sprouts are a real star. They contain 20 to 50 times more powerful anti-cancer and detoxifying compounds than mature broccoli. You can easily add them to salads, sandwiches, or blend them into smoothies. Additionally, raw sauerkraut is a great option because it is not only a fermented vegetable, but also contains probiotics that are good for your gut, indirectly supporting your liver. How to prepare? You can steam, boil, lightly stir-fry these vegetables, or eat them raw in salads. The goal is to eat a significant amount of cruciferous vegetables in that meal. Meat provides the bricks needed by the body, especially the amino acids that are important for the detoxification process. Meat is rich in amino acids. These are the building blocks of protein necessary for cell repair and regeneration. Some specific amino acids, such as glutamine, are important because they help the body produce glutathione. Drink apple cider vinegar. A little bit of organic apple cider vinegar diluted with water, about 1 to 2 teaspoons in a large glass of water, taken before meals or in the morning, can also help stimulate bile production and aid in overall digestion. Quick tip for constipation: detox reaction. Sometimes, after starting a cleanse program, some people may experience severe constipation due to toxins and waste buildup. If this happens, the quick fix I always give them is to take some bile salts on an empty stomach. This often helps. Open up the bile sludge, and you can feel relief within a few hours. So don't forget this little tip. Start today. Liver care for a healthier life. Remember, a liver cleanse is not just a fad, but a powerful, natural way to support your overall health, especially as you enter your 60s. Don't let your liver become overworked and accumulate toxins over the years. Be proactive and help it. Cleanse and regenerate so you can feel healthy, vibrant, and mentally sharp every day. Investing in your liver health is investing in your quality of life in your golden years. These simple steps can yield huge benefits that you may not expect. If you find this important information helpful and inspiring, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable health information, and share it with your loved ones, especially those who want to improve their liver and overall health. Together, we can build a healthier community. Question for you: do you have any questions about liver cleansing or dry fasting? Or have you tried any methods and have any experiences you would like to share? Leave a comment below and let's share.